Part 18. Hot and Cold Weather. Hot and dry weather requires a few adjustments to the installation process of manufactured stone veneer. Start by shading your work, including the wall, mortar mixing area, and, when possible, all stone and mortar materials. Frequently mist the scratch coat and the stone units that are on the deck for installation. Properly hydrated stones and scratch coats will appear damp but free from standing water. Use cool water for mortar mixing, and pay close attention to mortar condition. Retempering mortar is not recommended. Hot weather will shorten mortar open time. Consider a modified mortar product that has been fine-tuned for warmer climates. Check with local mortar suppliers for hot weather options. Cold weather brings additional unique requirements. To install, the temperature must be 40 degrees and rising. To enable installations when the temperature drops below 40 degrees, the project must be tented and heated to maintain a safe temperature range during installation, and until mortar is fully cured. This includes the temperature of both sides of a wall getting stone. Stone units and all mortar components must be warm and free from ice or snow. Caution: additives to address cold weather can lead to premature corrosion of lath and potentially reduce bond strength. If you consider additives instead of tenting and heating, please consult mortar manufacturer for acceptable solutions in cold weather. Thank you for watching. Please view the other videos in this series for additional installation techniques and tips.